What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently at the mall with Vavi. We are shopping for her birthday party dress, okay? We're in the store right now. It's so many dresses, y'all. So many dresses, so many options. But we're just trying to get a feel for what her vibe is. So that's what we're doing now. We just enjoyed a nice lunch at the Cheesecake Factory. Delicious. And we had drinks. So we're feeling really good.
And check this before, because
This is
I
definitely
know
the
you
before.
guys are going to see what's on the other side.
Yes, yes. So stay tuned. Why you had to open it like that? Wait, okay. So let's unpack this. Let's unpack. Why is this a no for you?
Because I feel like this situation right here, this bow, is giving.
It's not complimenting your figure.
It's not.
It looks too full.
It's too much.
It's not giving. Yeah, it's a no.
It doesn't fit me.
Yeah.
It doesn't fit me.
Okay.
No.
This is giving Mama Vavi. If you know what I mean. Yeah, but this is your entrance dress though, right? This ain't something you would wear. I don't know if you would like this for real, for real. I don't think it's you.
I think it's potential, but not for this.
But I also do think it's the head wrap. Because if you do imagine your hair.
Yeah.
If you do imagine that haircut and that's.
Yeah.
That would give. It would actually give for real. And to be honest, I could see this with those pearl platform. Because it's different and you could do gold and pearl for your jewelry. I don't know. I will put that to the side. Don't give it up yet. Don't give it up. Whew. All right, y'all. So the shopping trip is done. Vavi has made her selections for her birthday looks, and oh, she's gonna pop out. She is gonna pop all the way out. I'm so excited to see how she brings it all together when it's her party. Right now I'm heading back to the house, and I have some things to do. I am gonna sort through my wardrobe and literally just like get rid of stuff. And y'all, I know I've said that a few times throughout this video diary series, but the beauty of building your wardrobe is that you get to start over again and again and again until you get it right. And this morning was a testament to me that I just haven't gotten it right yet. Not that I don't have any flattering clothes, but mainly that what I have no longer serves me and for who I'm becoming. So I need to literally start from scratch, completely from scratch. And I'm excited about that. 100% excited. With that being said, I'm going to sort through all of that. I am also thinking about, I'm going to stop by the beauty supply store on the way back to the house so I can get me some hair color, because I'm definitely coloring my hair. That's been long overdue, so I'm gonna get that together as well. And as far as what else I'll be doing this evening, I'm just gonna see where the day takes me. I have in mind what I want to do, but we're just gonna see where the day takes me. Okay. I know my video diary from yesterday was so short. It was so short. But I'm just gonna put this out there and say, you all, I am going through a shift right now in my life. So a lot of things are changing for me. And this has been a tough week for me. One of the toughest weeks I've experienced in a very long time. And so that's why you've been seeing me show up more vulnerable in these episodes, because I've just been going through some things for real, you know. I'm not gonna keep that from y'all. I have. So I've only been able to capture what you all have seen. And I was just sharing this with Vavi, but I feel like I think I only have 30 more videos left in this series. and I'm excited. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking forward to closing out this video diaries chapter because I feel like I've outgrown it. And if we're gonna be completely honest, I don't feel like it serves me the way that it used to. But I'm going to finish strong because I've committed myself to going to 100 days. So I'm gonna go to 100 days. But I just ask that y'all bear with me through this time because, again, I don't know what type of videos I'm gonna put up every day because I'm not posting with strategy. Y'all know I just post with vibes, so it really just goes off of what the vibe is. So just bear with your girl for these next 30 days for this series. And just know, again, I'm going through a transition right now in my life, so there is more to come for sure. It's just I'm in the season where I am building out the vision to bring it to life, if that makes sense. So I'm putting in work, and I'm doing a lot of things, and without saying too much, y'all just gonna have to keep watching to see what I mean. That's pretty much it. That's the best way I can say it without saying too much. Okay? But as always, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Y'all are just y'all views alone, you know, it warms my heart just to know that there's people out there who's actually interested in my content and who is a supporter of my brand. I appreciate you more than you know, because Octavia.Darling is only going to go up, and that's facts. Remember I said that Octavia.Darling is only going to go up, and I'm so excited to see what's next in these upcoming seasons. I'm so excited to see what's next in this new chapter. I'm just so excited to see. And I hope that y'all stick along with me for the ride. I'll check y'all in tomorrow's video diary episode. Bye.